welcome back to Timmy's World. Today we're going to do something special. We're going to try the new Oreo Coca-Cola and the new Coca-Cola Oreos. So, I got my wife guest starring today. She's going to try it out with us. No, I assume this one's going to, if anything's going to be bad, it's going to be this one. So
I think I'll like that better.
So we'll see. I'm not a big sugar-free whatever person, but they only make it in sugar-free. Let's find out. Get the cap off eventually. There we go.
Okay, don't say your thoughts. Ew, it's got like a...
That's your first mistake. Don't sniff it first.
Thoughts?
I think it's like a vanilla Coke with a little bit of cookie aftertaste.
See, I thought vanilla too.
Yeah.
But then like the cookie flavor hits you.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I like that part though.
So now.
Oh, the red and...
It wasn't bad. It wasn't near to what I thought it was going to be. As far in terms of bad. But here's...
Smell that.
Red.
Ew,
I'll get to it. Hold on. Yeah.
They come apart so easy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. We got red and regular on the other side.
What does it smell like?
Kind of like that waffle cone smell.
Maybe.
I don't know. Down the hatch, right? Polish for the Pop Rocks. Not your jam, huh? That's about what I figured.
Ugh.
I don't think it's bad. I like it. It's, you get a little, no, the Pop Rocks are still kicking around in there. You have to pause and let it kind of hit your tongue.
It's like bad on top of bad. Nope, I'm out.
You never like any taste challenges.
Because it's always weird stuff.
I like weird.
I don't do weird.
This is
but I like you.
Mm-hmm. Thankfully. This is way better than the Sour Patch Oreos. Way better.
I didn't try the Sour Patch Oreos.
Oh, I did. I did like 3 of them. They're not that bad, but this is better.
Oh, this is horrible.
She don't want to taste it. It's just popping. I'm not mad at it. Maybe it's just because my taste buds had about 10 more years to rot than yours.
Refreshing.
Right. I don't know. I'm going to try it on the kids, but I won't make y'all suffer through that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go with Isaac. Coca-Cola Oreo. Now chew it. Don't take it apart. Just take a bite and chew it slow.
Yummy.
Hearing? Okay.
Let's see what I get.
Yeah.
I think that's a yes.
Yeah.
I love it.
Finn, you're up.
I think this. Ooh, I love it.
Yeah, but I need your mouth to love it. Let's try it out.
I take that as a yes.
Try the Coca-Cola Oreo flavor. Yeah,
that is one of the best sodas I've ever had. What?
Mom didn't like it.
Not my favorite, but still pretty good.
Okay, let's go Finn.
I'm not really yet ready. Not better than root beer though.
Not much beats root beer.
And sour. But I still like it.
Yeah,
For me,
sour.
it's sour. But I still like it.
You think
Do you
all
make that
soda's sour.
yourself?
Last test. Have the Oreo Coca-Cola. I poured some in there. Let's do a little more just to prove it. Cookie. Stick it back together a little bit. Boom.
Oh, you put the cookie.
You're so gross.
You put the cookie in the soda.
I mean, theoretically, they taste close to the same, so.
It's gonna let the Pop Rocks all get funky.
Yo, Dad.
Here we go. Didn't really change it much.
Ew.